Hi all, are you ready to create? For this lesson I'm going to show you how to draw a chess piece. All you need is paper and a pencil. I'm using a 4B pencil and I'm first creating a ground. It means I'm shading the background so that I have a great paper. You can use a tissue for this to smooth it out. And then to draw my pawn or any other chess piece you're doing, you need to first draw the very simple shape. So first I'm looking at how big the object is, and then I'm drawing an ellipse at the bottom. So I'm just looking at my image and looking at what it's made of. And a sphere, another ellipse, and a kind of cylinder at the bottom. I'm just looking at each shape and drawing as I go along, drawing the outline. And you can improve it as you go. Don't worry if it's not perfect first. And then now I'm outlining all the shadows that I can see. So really look at your object, and if you see any really dark areas, just outlining it. And usually they're quite reflective chess pieces, so you can see a lot of shade and light. And now I'm just making it really, wherever I see that is very dark, I'm just colouring it in. You can also use a rubber to create some highlights, and you can really draw with your rubber and create great effects. So we want to show that the object is really shiny by creating high contrast. You have to look at your object that you're drawing or the photograph you're using, and really look at everywhere where you can see shadows and midtones and highlights. Sorry, my hand's in the way, you can't see much what I'm doing. Just shading in. If you found this exercise quite easy, please create a more complicated composition or do a harder chess piece to draw with more details. There we have it. Have a go, have fun, and let me know how it goes. Bye!